Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to make onion potato kurma which goes excellent with puri and chapathi. In a pressure cooker, take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once this oil gets heated up, let's add the temperings of mustard seeds, urad dal, slitted green chilies 2 to 3, few curry leaves, four to 5 garlic cloves. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 large sized onions which are chopped finely. Saute them for just 2 minutes. Don't over fry them. If you over fry them, then the taste may vary and you may not get the exact texture. One tablespoon of fennel seeds, mix them well. Add 2 medium-sized potatoes. Cut them into large pieces. Saute them for 2 minutes. Don't over fry them because at the final stage, onions and potatoes, we are going to smash it well. Add some salt to taste. 1½ tablespoon of chili powder, pinch of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, one tablespoon of garam masala, saute them for 1 minute. Add 1½ cup of water. Make sure that you don't add too much of water. If you add too much of water, you may lose the consistency and taste. Mix them well. Pressure cooker it for 3 to 4 whistles. Now let's make a secret ingredients which adds taste and consistency to our kurma. 1 tablespoon of besan flour. Add little water to it. Mix it well so that it does not form any lumps. This besan mixture gives a good taste and thickness to our gravy. Now our kurma is cooked well. Let's open it. Mix them well. Now let's add the besan mixture into it. Mix them. Gently smash it all together with a spatula. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of chili powder. This process is completely optional. Gently mix it into the oil. We are doing this process just to get a good texture to our kurma. Now our onion potato kurma is ready. Garnish it with kasturi methi. Serve this with puri or chapathi. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.